Hello friends. So in this video we'll discuss about dangling pointer in C. So a dangling pointer is a pointer that points to a member location that has already been deallocated or deleted. There are three different ways the pointer acts as a dangling pointer. One is deallocation of memory. So first we can check with that. So we can declare one pointer in star ptr. So we can allocate memory dynamically. So in that case, we can use that is int star, that is pointer. After that, we can use malloc function. So we need to use malloc function. We need to use another header file hash include std lib.h. So using malloc, here we can use the size of int. Okay. Now star ptr is equal to, we can tell 20. Then we are just print this data using printf %d new line comma star ptr. We can run this. So we are getting output 20. Okay, trying to just free that memory. So using free, we can pass that pointer. Now we just free that memory. Okay, now we want to print this value. Then we will get some random values because now this pointer acting as a dangling pointer because the memory location we already deallocated. We will run this. See, first we are getting 20 and after that we are getting some random numbers. Okay, so this will work like a dangling pointer. Okay, so we cannot do access like this. Okay, so instead of that we can use ptr. We can tell like null pointer. Then we can check if ptr equal to null, then printf invalid member. Else we can dereference that point. Now we will run 20, we will get and after that invalid memory. Okay, so that is the deallocation of memory. And next is the variable out of scope. Can remove this. So pointer declaring int star ptr. After that, we are creating one block int x equal to 10 and ptr is equal to address of x. Then printf %d star ptr. New line answer. Okay, so here we are declaring x is equal to 10. So the scope of x is in this block only. We cannot access this in outside. Okay, so now we will run this. We will get a 10. We are accessing this in outside of this block. Maybe in GDB this will work, but some other compiler this will throw error only. Okay, because this scope of x is in this block only. I think in GDB this will work. Okay, but some other compiler this will not work, and maybe some random values also you will get. Okay, so this is the second method, and the third one is the function call. Okay, suppose we have one another function, so that is int star, that is pointer type only, function one, int x equal to 100, and we are returning address of x. Okay, then int star ptr equal to, we are calling that function. Okay, so we will get the address of this, right? Now we are just doing this data. Okay, so x is inside this function only, right? So we'll try to run this. See, we are getting warnings. Function returns address of local variable, return and x. So it will throw error only. So now this will act as dangling pointer. Okay. So normally this int variable has scope on this function only. We need to get access to this method also. Then we need to change this to static. Okay. Then we will run. We'll get output. See, we're getting output 100. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching.